Hello YouTube. In this next video I'm going to show you, you're going to see me do something fun outside. I record this intro outside, but it's so noisy. Probably going to lower the volume. I'm just going to put random clips. Won't be a long video because it's pretty boring. It's just me having fun. I'm chopping a fridge up. What else would you do with an old fridge? And you know, chop chop. Enjoy your watching. Have fun. It's all good. This is just me having some fun. An old fridge I just cut the door off of. Now I'm going to cut the rest of it apart. Oy vey, look at that. Did I bring any tools? I don't think so. Hold on. I'll find a way to get this off the frickin'. My phone's going off too. It rains, it pours. Rains, it pours. There, I think you can see me. I'm at my store on the porch. I'm going to probably... There we go. No screwdrivers, no nothing. I'm just chopping this bitch up. This is the way we skin fridges. Look at that. Nice piece of free metal. The best way, I'll show you in a second. I can hear it again. This is the fun part. It'll be more fun when it works. Jesus Christ. Oh yay. Now I gotta see if this damn plug works. This is gonna be the worst video ever. Worst video ever. There we go. Worst video ever. Let's try this. Sweet. There we go. The glasses on. Let's see. Alrighty. That worked. Awesome. This is how you throw fridges in the dumpster. Alrighty. See this? Come on, quick. All it has to do is fit in a dumpster. Doesn't have to do anything else. And my kids are gonna get off the bus soon, so every alarm clock, the alarm thing go off, could go off. Possibly isn't go off. Yeah. Yeah. What is that, light bulb? Apparently you shouldn't cut through fluorescent light bulbs. Yeah, probably shouldn't cut through fluorescent bulbs. Let's do this anyway. What the hell is this stuck in? I see. There's like a freaking piece of tin in the way or something. Well, stupid thing. Yeah. Let's see. Let's flip it over. Come on. Get out of there. Oh yeah. Some of the dumb shit I do. This doesn't want to come out. Weird. Very weird. Look at that. That's cool. There's no metal in these things. They're just big pieces of styrofoam caught around there. Dumpster diving whale. Come on. Plastic. There we go. One for the win. One for the win. Yay, throws in the dumpster now. How to deconstruct. I'll take this out of here. Come on. Take. There we go. Two. That could be a problem. That could be a problem. See. Surgery. There we go. Little piece of ta-da. That'll be perfect. It just has to come out of here. So there we go. And another one bites the dust. Yep. There we go. Nope, it's not it. Look at that. So fancy. Fancy. Look at that. Foam malicious. Alrighty. Yeah. that over. Look, that thing came out too. Hey, look, that's got dangerous screws on it. Go on someone's car. I always try to pick up all the screws because nobody likes them in their car. And in a minute, my kids will be getting off the bus. So. Done. Dirty deeds done dirt cheap. In the trash. In the trash. In the trash. Look at that. Now, flip it this way. There's a whole lot of copper on the back here. Feel my screwdriver. Is that copper? That's metal. It's not even copper. Oh, it's cut. Plug it a little bit. Lots of vibrations. Look at that. Let me rip this off. Probably can if you cut it. Gotta cut the plastic. A little plastic nibbling here. Ta-da! What the fuck is that wave? Who the hell is that? People just waving and shit, and I don't know who the hell they are. There's fucking acorns in here. Let's see. Oh, that might come off. Maybe the other piece off. It's always that one piece that's still don't cooperate. In the garbage. In the garbage. If I cut this part a little behind this metal thing here.
You open?
Thursday to Sunday.
Oh, Thursday to Sunday? Yeah.
Thursday to Sunday only. I don't know if you can see me here, but we'll move it over. Let me move the camera over. Is that good? Yeah, it's good. What am I doing? Chopping it up. So it was a steel plate in there. Let's see. Why is this thing going all crazy? Let's see. Cut it up, cut it up. Cut it up, Buttercup. It's like a little refrigerator seat with wheels. Cool. We told that. See how noisy it is here? That's what I listen to every single fucking day. Oh wait, see how noisy it is? That's what I listen to every single day at work. Shit. I think I might be able to get this out of here. Ugh, why am I cutting it down this far? Well, why not, right? Why the hell not? Houston, I have an idea. Houston, I have an idea. There we go. Be a little safer. And this way. Sorry, camera. Let's go with this. Now, some fluid came out. It's bleeding. It's bleeding over my porch. Uh-oh. It's got freaking oil all over the damn porch. Oh well. One more. Ta-da. I guess I have it's a mini fridge. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a mini fridge. I just pissed all over the porch. Lovely. I guess I gotta clean it. All right, let me stop this here.